Peace and blessing, family. This is the elder out of New Orleans coming to you with another informative video. All praises to our creators and our ancestors. But family, this is going to be about the Supreme Court. Went along with Donald Trump saying that birthright citizens will be stopped in America. Yeah, they went along with him, and I think he was right about that. All these people coming in here having babies, and all of a sudden they're citizens. And even Donald Trump said it today about who birthright citizens belong to. I was surprised about that. I'm going to let y'all hear this clip from Donald J. Trump talking about birthright citizenship.
We can now promptly file to proceed with numerous policies that have been wrongly enjoined on a nationwide basis. And some of the cases we're talking about would be ending birthright citizenship, which now comes to the fore. That was meant for the babies of slaves. It wasn't meant for people trying to scam the system and come into the country on a vacation.
Did you hear that? I'm going to play that little part back again so y'all can listen at it. And I'm going to come back with my full commentary.
We can now promptly file to proceed with numerous policies that have been wrongly enjoined on a nationwide basis. And some of the cases we're talking about would be ending birthright citizenship, which now comes to the fore. That was meant for the babies of slaves. It wasn't meant for people trying to scam the system and come into the country on a vacation. This was, in fact, it was the same date, the exact same date, the end of the Civil War was meant for the babies of slaves, and it's so clean and so obvious. But this lets us go there and finally win that case because hundreds of thousands of people are pouring into our country under birthright citizenship, and it wasn't meant for that reason. It was meant for the babies of slaves. So
it was meant for us. But the one thing he didn't mention, we was enslaved, because the ones they called Negroes and slaves who was working on those plantations was indigenous people of this land, indigenous Indians of this land. That's right. So I know there's going to be a lot of people pissed off about this. That means Roland Martin, Candace Owens, a bunch of them other tellers. They came here on birthright citizenship. DJ Academic and all them, they might be deported out of here. That's right. Well, at least Donald Trump got that right. And that's the only thing I ever believe in Donald Trump with this immigration and the birthright situation. He told the truth on that. Told the truth. We was already here. That's right. We was already living in America when Donald Trump daddy came here. When all them Europeans came from England and France and Spain, they found us already here. FBA, indigenous black people that was already living here and who was enslaved, took our land and this, that, and the other. That's right, family. Well, at least Donald Trump got that one right. You know, y'all let me know how y'all feel about it in the comment section. I know there'll be a lot of people mad about this. Roland Martin, they might get your ass out of here too. That's right, because you're not a freeman. you're not indigenous to this land, Candace Owens and all them other tethers. Peace and love. Put up the likes and the shares. Stay tuned for the next video or live stream, and I'm out.